Now we're going to take everything we've learned so far, visual hierarchy, layout principles, and accessibility basics, and actually apply them to wireframes. This is where design really starts to click. You'll see that we're not changing content, we're not adding features, we're making small, intentional adjustments. And those small adjustments can have a huge impact on usability, clarity, and how confident a user feels when they land on a page. As you're reviewing your original wireframe, ask yourself, for visual hierarchy, do I know what to look at first? Are the most important things like headings and buttons clearly noticeable? For layout, ask, are elements aligned and grouped logically? Does the page feel organized or scattered? And for accessibility, is the text readable? Are buttons large enough to tap? Are labels clear? And is color being used as the only way to communicate meaning? This is all about awareness. Here's our original example wireframe. Let's break down what's going wrong in this version. First of all, headings and visual hierarchy. All of the headings are the same size. There's no clear difference between the page title and section headers. When everything looks equally important, users don't know where to start. Next is layout and spacing. Sections are stacked too closely together or spaced out inconsistently. Related items aren't grouped, so the page feels cluttered and overwhelming instead of structured. And finally, alignment. Nothing lines up. The edges feel jagged, and nothing seems to sit on a shared structure. Even if users can't explain why this feels wrong, misalignment makes a page feel unpolished and harder to scan. It looks cluttered and overwhelming. Here's the same exact content, but we've structured it and made small changes that really solve many of the big problems. For headings and hierarchy, the page title becomes the largest. Section headings are clearly smaller than the title, and everything is consistent. This works because users scan before they read. Clear hierarchy tells users where they are, what matters most, and what they should look at next, reducing cognitive load. For layout and spacing, we introduce clear space between sections. Related elements are grouped closely, like cards, panels, or content blocks, and extra space is used intentionally to separate different types of content. Spacing communicates relationships without words. Close means related, far apart means separate. Less clutter makes scanning faster and easier. For alignment, everything snaps to a consistent edge. Buttons, text, everything lines up vertically and horizontally. Content follows an invisible grid. Good alignment creates order and rhythm. It makes the layout feel intentional instead of accidental, and it helps users move quickly through the page. The revised wireframe uses the exact same content, nothing new was added, but it feels completely different. There's a clear, visually dominant page title at the top. Section headings are distinct from title and body text. Buttons are consistent. Content is grouped into obvious sections with spacing, and everything aligns upon a shared vertical grid. Buttons are large enough to comfortably click or tap, and form fields have visible labels placed inside of the inputs, so the user always knows what information is being requested. All of these changes work together to make the page easier to understand, navigate, and use. As you work, these are some of the most common issues that you should be looking for. If you see multiple headings at the same size, that's a hierarchy problem. If buttons or text don't line up, that's an alignment issue. If fonts, colors, or button styles change randomly, that's a consistency problem. And if text is hard to read, tap targets are tiny, or labels are unclear, accessibility concerns. When revising your wireframe, use clear headings to guide scanning. Apply spacing and grouping to improve readability. Keep UI elements consistent across the page. And always double check text size, contrast, labels, and target areas. You're designing for real people, not perfect users. The big takeaway here is that good UI design isn't about decoration, it's about clarity. You don't need more content or flashy visuals. You need structure, consistency, and empathy for the user. If someone can land on your page and quickly understand where they are, what's important, and what to do next, you're doing it right. Focus on intentional choices, make your improvements obvious, and remember, small design decisions add up to a much better user experience.